I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Vitamino Color Resveratrol, only way. Apply to towel-dried hair after shampoo, distribute evenly from roots to ends, leave for the time recommended on the bottle, then rinse thoroughly and style as usual. Start with a strand test to check color payoff and sensitivity. Use the product on colored hair to extend vibrancy and protect against fading. Always follow label directions and avoid contact with eyes. For smooth results, towel dry hair until slightly damp and detangle before applying Vitamino Color Resveratrol. Apply product section by section, smoothing with fingers or a comb to spread evenly. Follow the bottle, timing closely, and monitor the strand test to avoid overprocessing. If you experience irritation, rinse immediately and discontinue use. Regular use helps maintain color vibrancy and shine, while feeding hair with protective antioxidants for a refreshed look. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support future tutorials. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, which makes timing treatments, playing tutorials, and setting reminders delightfully hands-free. It's a handy studio companion when you're multitasking with hair care. Check the description for the link and other deals, pick one up if you like, and now let's get back to the video. After coloring, use sulfate-free shampoos and conditioners to protect pigments and prolong results. Limit heat styling and use heat protectants when necessary to reduce fading. Apply a weekly color-safe mask or treatment to replenish moisture and maintain shine. If you have a history of allergies, consult a professional before using new color treatments. Dispose of unused product according to local guidelines and never ingest the formula.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.